Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the step-by-step registration of your textbook. At this point, you should have already purchased your Prism textbook for your ESL class. When you purchase the book, pay attention to the ISBN number. Make sure that you purchase the correct textbook. For our purposes today, I'll be using Prism Listening and Speaking 2. Open up your textbook to the inside cover and you should see this message. Make sure that your textbook has an online workbook activation code. If you still have the silver strip, please scratch it off now and then go to the website cambridgelms.org. For those of you returning from last semester, you can log in with your same account information. Everyone else here, you're going to type Prism. In order to add your textbook, you need to activate a new product. But again, if you're new, you're going to have to register, and that will look like this. Click on register. You can log in with your Google or select student and input your information. When you put in your first and last name, make sure you use a capital first letter. Please enter your date of birth and then create a username for yourself. Please enter your Kane email address and then confirm it. Enter it again. Enter a password, confirm your password, accept, sign me up, and then register. When you log in, that is when you will enter your activation code. It'll say, no new products, enter your activation code. I'll log into my account so that you can see. And you're going to have two codes to enter. Click on My Learning at the top, and it should be blank. Activate a new product means that you input this activation code. So click on that. This will connect your textbook to the website and put in your activation code here. It should be a very long combination of numbers and letters, and your textbook has it right on the inside flap. If you have a textbook where this has already been scratched off, that means that another student has already used this textbook and you need to contact your professor and let them know. After you activate your product, you're going to join a class, and this is where your second code goes, the class code, right here. This should be given to you by your professor. It can probably be found in your syllabus for the class, and each ESL class will have a different class code. If you don't have your class code, please email your professor and ask them what it is. Once you type in your class code, you will be all set, having joined a class and activated your textbook. Under active classes, you should see a picture of your book, and once you click on it, on the class, it will bring you to the assignments. And it might look something like this. You'll see all of the different units are listed. If you click on the unit or this gray arrow, it'll open up to show you the exercises. So Unit 1 here has listening, key vocabulary, language development, pronunciation, and speaking. Depending on which course you're in, your professor will tell you their expectations for completing the coursework, and they will tell you which exercises to complete when. And you're all set. Congratulations on registering your textbook. You are ready for a semester of learning.